Dinig po ba? Dinig po
Uh,
ba, guys?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, so let's start. Good afternoon, Professor Marmelo Abande. Good afternoon, colleagues. So, for today's discourse, me and my partner are going to tackle what is Chapter 17 all about. So, first, allow me to introduce myself. I am Pauline Morabe. So, the topic that we are going to tackle is all about summary, conclusion, and recommendation. So this topic elaborate the difference between, of course, the summary, conclusion, and recommendation. So, or how can we apply it in a research? So, next po. So here's the topic that we are going to deliberate it to you that you may gain knowledge as we go along through our discussion. The purpose of this presentation is for you to be able to delve the potential and effective strategies in creating the whole summary, conclusion, and recommendation in a research paper. So now the question is, how can we effectively and sufficiently get the summary or the conclusion or maybe the recommendation in our research paper? So let's elaborate this one by one. So this next. Okay, so we have content to be discussed, of course, summary, conclusion, and recommendation. Next. Okay, when we say summary in a research, summary provides a overview to the main point, methods, and findings of the study. So basically, it consists a representation of the entire research, allowing readers to quickly grasp the essential aspect without delving into the detailed content. So a summary is a concise and condensed version of a text, speech, or event that captures its essential point or main ideas. It is typically omit detail and example focusing on the core information to provide a brief overview of your whole information. So the advantages of a summary it is that provide a concise, of course, overview of a larger piece of content, saving time and allowing readers to quickly grasp the main point. However, the disadvantage of the summary is that it may oversimplify complex ideas or omit important details, potentially leading into a less comprehensive understanding. So, next po. So, we gather here a sample of summary statement in a research paper. So, we have research paper on artificial intelligence in healthcare. So, ang provide nila ditong summary on the topic of artificial intelligence in healthcare is the paper explore the potential application of artificial intelligence or the AI in healthcare, focusing on diagnostic accuracy, personalized treatment plans, and healthcare resource optimization. The research underscored transformative impact of AI in revolutionizing healthcare delivery and improving patient outcome. So, next po. So, that's how you provide your summary in a research paper. Hindi siya masyadong mahaba, but the thing is, nandun yung overall context or yung concise overview of your paper research. Next po. Okay, so this one is also an example of a qualitative summary in a research paper. So, next. Now, let's proceed to the conclusion of the research paper. So, in the other hand, the conclusion is the final section where the researcher interprets and summarizes the result, discusses their significance, and sometimes suggests areas for further research. It goes beyond a mere recapitulation of facts and aims to provide insights, implications, and the broader context of the study. So in the essence of this conclusion, it provides a quick snapshot while it offers more reflective and interpretative closure to the research paper. So in a research paper, guys, conclusion is that provide a summary key points, reinforces the main argument, and leaves a lasting impression on the reader. So, however, it gives a disadvantages and advantages also. So the advantages of conclusion is that of course, it provides a summary, and the disadvantages could be that poorly constructed conclusion may weaken the overall impact of the work or fail to address potential counter arguments effectively. So, next po. Okay, so we have again sample content of conclusion statement in a research paper. So this one naman is all about educational technology in a classroom. So we have here the findings of this study suggest that thoughtful integration of educational technology in classroom enhances learning outcomes. However, it is crucial to recognize that technology could implement, not replace, traditional teaching methods. Educators must receive adequate training to effectively incorporate technology. And educational policies should encourage innovative technology-enhanced pedagogies, striking the right balance between technology and traditional teaching in key to maximizing its benefit. So that's it for my report. So again, when summary and conclusion is a crucial and important thing in a research paper. So that's it now. May I call on my partner to continue the discussion. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
So, good afternoon po, sir. I'm Princess Jasmine B. Luminog, and I will discuss about the recommendations for research. So, first, ang recommendations ay dapat na nag-start sa masusing pagsusuri at hindi lamang sa isang simpleng pagre-report ng mga nakalipas na mga hakbang or mahalaga ang pagpapakita ng malalim na pag-intindi or critical thinking kumbaga sa isang research. So first, the recommendation section offers suggestions for actions or improvements based on the research findings. So, ang bahaging recommendations ay nagbibigay ng mga suggestions para sa mga actions or pagpapabuti na nakabase sa mga nakita, nalaman, or natuklasan sa isang research. Second is the recommendations should be actionable and relevant to the subject matters of the research. And ang ibig sabihin naman nito ay ang mga recommendation daw ay dapat na mga hakbang or action na maaaring gawin na connected sa paksa or temang tinatalakay sa isang research. And the goal is to provide specific suggestion or plano na maaaring gawin batay sa mga natuklasan nga or pagsusuri ng research. So sa madaling salita, ang mga recommendation ay hindi lamang theoretical kundi may practical applications na may kaugnayan sa pangunahing layunin ng research. Next. So dito naman ipinapakita yung sample of recommendation statement in a research paper. So ito yun, advocate for international agreements and collaborations to the set stringent emission reduction targets in line with climate science to limit the goal. So ito ay naglalayong itaguyod ang pagkakaroon ng international na mga kasunduan at pagsasamahan ng iba't ibang bansa upang magkaroon ng mabigat na mga layunin sa pagbawas ng emission na naayon sa climate na naglalayong limitahan ang pagtaas ng global temperature. So in short, layunin nito na magkaroon ng malakas na koordinasyon sa pagitan ng iba't ibang bansa para mapanatili ang temperature ng mundo sa nararapat na antas. Then next yung it encourage investments in clean and renewable energy sources while phasing out subsidies for fossil fuels to promote sustainable energy transitions. So ito naman ay nagbibigay ng suporta sa pagsusulong ng mga investments sa malinis at mabuting renewable energy habang inaayos ang pagtatanggal ng suporta o subsidiya para sa mga fossil fuels. And yun lang po. That will be all. Thank you po.
Dalawa lang kayo, may kagrup pa kayo.
Dalawa lang po, sir.
Okay, so
Chapter
right.
7.
Okay. So, yung partner ni Miss Javier, available ba?